$13 million compensation following 1963 Coral Gardens incident, but Rastafarian community not pleased. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, Westmoreland MP calls for ZOSO to help stem crime in the parish. Farmlands being used for housing, concerns after farmers are evicted from Perthlands in Manchester, and appeals for breakaway in Above Rock St. Catherine to be urgently repaired as it threatens lives, properties and productivity. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay tuned. The news in detail right after this break.